Assalamualaikum, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me?
जी sir.
Yes. So sequence and series first topic, like what limit comparison test we did, and Cauchy's and root test today we are going to discuss, and ratio test is also over. Okay, and root test is a very small test. Sometimes you may ask only the statement, right? This is a statement. If summation un is a series of positive terms, such that limit n tends to infinity un to the power of 1 by n is equal to L, then we say that UN converges if this value of L is less than 1. It is diverges if the value of L is greater than 1. Then we are unable to decide the nature of the series when L is equals to 1. UN can, what is UN? What is UN? Hello?
Hello, sir. आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, what is UN? What is UN?
Nth term, sir.
Nth term of the given series. Okay. So,
UN is nth term.
yes, only there are
जी
three
sir.
steps here in this series. Actually, this Cauchy's and through test. The step number one is nth term of the given series, we have to write it. If it is not given, we have to find out. This is the step number one. Step number two is we have to take the nth root of this un value. Nth root of this un value. Okay. Now, third step is what? Third step is we have to apply limit n tends to infinity for this un to the power of 1 by n value. If these three steps, if suppose this value, whatever we are getting, if it is greater than 1 like this, यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ केस भी रिवर्स है. Converges कब हो रहा if less than 1, diverges कब हो रहा if greater than 1. Okay, so three steps are there, and to help this concept more clearly, some formulas are there. This is the formula. If this one of the format like limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n whole power n, directly we can write the answer is equal to E, right? Do you understand? The second formula is, hello, please give me the answer after
Yes, sir.
every step, that so
Yes,
that
sir.
I can say that you are there in the class. 1 plus 1 by root n whole power root
Yes,
n.
sir.
यहाँ पे root n, यहाँ पे root n. Both of these values are same. Then answer is E only. This is 1 plus 1 by n is equals to 1. And n to the power of 1 by n is equal to 1. And these are few questions to understand what is going on actually. Okay, let's start with the question number
Okay,
1.
sir.
Statement देख लीजिए आप. Statement में कुछ डाउट है तो बताइए.
नहीं, sir.
Only three steps. Un value we have to find out. If it is given, well and good. If it is not given, we have to
जी sir.
find out.
Find out.
Then we have to take the nth root. Power 1 by n means what? Power 1 by 2 means square root. Power 1 by 3 means cube root. Power 1 by n means nth root of that given series. So let us see some questions. What is going on? Actually, we are going to check. पहला question solve करेंगे. Okay, pages are there. I'm checking the pages. Okay, first question. Test the convergence of the series. Simple one word answer. It means one word question is there. So solution of question number one. Solution of one. Okay. Can you tell me what is un value? बोलिए. Let un is equal to क्या है un बोलो?
UN n plus 1 to the power of n by n to the power of n plus 1 xn है, sir.
नहीं, अपन क्वेश्चन नंबर वन सॉल्व करेंगे.
Sir, question number one, sorry, sir.
जी.
1 plus 1 by n to the power of minus n square, sir.
Yes, 1 by 1 plus n whole to the power of minus n square. So you need not to worry about the nth term. It is already given here in the question itself. Okay. Taking second step में चल जाएंगे. Taking nth root on both sides. और इसमें ना आपको आसानी से आप पहचान भी सकते हैं ये कौन सी nth root सॉल्व करने का है बोल के. The hint is power n should be there. Anything should be power n form.
Okay.
Un whole to the power of 1 by n. It is equal to, here we have 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of minus n square, and its whole power is 1 by n. So what happened here? One square term. It is one n term is cancelled. Right? Right now?
Yes, sir.
Then un whole to the power of 1 by n is equal to, what is left of? Tell me. 1 plus 1 by n
1 plus 1 by n
whole to the power of
to the power of minus n.
minus n left off. And in basic class, we learn one formula. That formula is whenever
जी
if
सर, अगर
e to the power of
माइनस
minus m is there, we can write it as 1 by a power n, right?
1 by a to the power of m.
So any number power negative means 1 by form we
Yes,
can write. Okay?
yes
Okay
sir,
now?
मालूम sir.
Un
जी
to the
sir.
power of 1 by n, it is
हाँ
equal
sir.
to 1 by 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. Whole power n. Clear?
Yes sir.
So step number 2 is also over.
Yes.
Finally, we have to apply limit n tends to infinity on both sides and conclude this part. Now taking limit n tends to infinity on both sides. Taking n tends to infinite, un to the power of 1 by n, it is equal to limit n tends to infinite 1 over 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of n. So we have a formula again. What limit n tends to infinity, if something by something form is there, we can read as f of x by g of x form. So it means we apply the limit for numerator and we apply the limit for denominator, right? Like that. Limit n
जी sir.
tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity for one separately, and that same limit will goes to the denominator also. Limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. Okay. So the numerator answer is limit of the constant is constant itself. And for this denominator, formula is there in formula में starting में लिख दिया आपको, but एक बार फिर से आपको ये साइड में लिख के बता देता हूँ. Here we have this formula, limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n whole power n, that a value is equal to, आप देख सकते हैं मैं फर्स्ट फॉर्मूले शीट में भी लिखा, यहाँ देखिए 1 plus 1 by n whole power n is equal to what? What is this
E.
answer? E. Do you have a calculator with you right now?
जी सर
Calculator
हाँ.
there, because what is the value of E? Tell me. What is
Value
the
of
value of
E.
E? 2.71. Are you getting same thing? कितना है? 2.71 है. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. What is the value of E?
2.718.
2.71. Two digits also enough. So then you see
Okay sir.
1 by what? What is 1 by 2.71?
Only 2.71 is हाँ,
How much?
सर समझा नहीं मैं सर क्या पूछ रहा हूँ।
What is the value of 2.1 by 2.71? What is the 1 by 2.71 solve करके बोलिए कितना?
हेलो।
1 by 2.71, how much?
ओके सर।
Now the time
0.369 सर।
0.3
0.369।
0.369 0.369
पॉइंट थ्री
means definitely we can say that it is less than 1.
सिक्स नाइन।
Less than 1 है नहीं है?
जी सर हाँ।
Then by Cauchy's Yenthru test, by Cauchy's nth test, by Cauchy's Yenthru test. What do you say? Therefore, summation un value क्या होता है less than 1 के लिए? Convergence. Summation un is convergence. ठीक है? समझ में आया क्वेश्चन? स्टार्टिंग से एक बार देख लीजिए. Scroll up. See, this is your question. Number one, we are
जी
saying
सर।
un to the power un is equals to 1 plus 1 by n power minus n square. So well, there are only three steps. We have to take the nth root on both sides. So we have taken that. And anything power minus is 1 by we can write. Now third step is after writing this, we should take the limit n tends to infinity on both sides. Now we apply the limit for numerator and for denominator. For denominator, we have a direct formula of limit that is equal to e. And we know that e value is 2.71 and 1 by anything is definitely less than 1. So answer is less than 1. So by what you say by nth root test, summation un is, what do you say? It is convergence.
जी सर।
क्लियर हो गया? सेकंड क्वेश्चन करेंगे.
हाँ सर।
सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, आप यहाँ देख लीजिए आपकी शीट में है समेशन 1 by 1 ओवर रूट एन बाई एन स्क्वायर रूट और माइनस एन स्क्वायर. मैं फिर से एक बार क्वेश्चन लिख देता हूँ आपकी कन्वीनियंस के लिए. कुछ क्लास कल की देखे रिकॉर्डिंग? कल की क्लासेस का रिकॉर्डिंग देखे
जी
कुछ?
सर।
व्हाट अबाउट यस्टरडेज क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग, हैव यू सीन दैट?
हाँ सर।
कुछ डाउट नहीं है ना? क्लियर है ना
जी
सब?
सर। जी सर।
नाउ यू आर इन ए पोजीशन टू explain this problem to your friends.
हम्म,
You should have that much of confidence now. आप अपने दोस्तों को भी समझाइए ऐसे कि ये क्वेश्चंस
जी सर।
इतना कॉन्फिडेंस से पढ़िए वो लोग बस. ओके, नाउ हियर सम मैनिपुलेशन वी रिक्वायर्ड. once again, what is the un value? Once again tell me.
वन प्लस वन बाई रूट एन टू द पावर ऑफ माइनस एन स्क्वायर.
Root 10 whole to the power of minus n square. This is the un value. So immediately we have to take nth root on both sides. If you want to mention, you can mention. Otherwise, directly also you can take it. This is
ओके.
1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of minus n square is already there in our question. Still, we are going to apply whole to the power of by n. What happened here is one square term, this term, it is cancelling out. Clear enough? Clear enough? Step in.
सर वन बाई एन कहाँ से आया?
Taking 1 by n root on both
साइड हाँ
sides.
बहुत सर. जी सर.
Nth
जी
root
सर.
we are applying. This is
जी
un
सर.
is equals to un to the power of 1 by n is equal. We are left with here 1 plus 1 by root n whole to the power of minus n only left of it. So anything power negative is write it as 1 by form 1 by 1 plus 10 whole to the power of n. Clear है ये step?
जी सर.
Power negative है तो 1 by form में लिख रहे बस इतना ही. Next step is very important. We should rearrange some terms here. जरा देखिए मैं क्या rearrange कर रहा हूँ, कैसा rearrange. देखिए. When we देखो, this is step. I think I should write in other color so that you can understand this very, very important step. This color I will use. Un to the power of 1 by n. It is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 10. 10. We have already n पहले से है ना?
जी
है ना
सर.
पहले से. तो अब मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ? We apply this whole power 1 by 2 into 2. क्या होता है से 1 by 2 into 2 से क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है? 2 कैंसिल होकर सेम आंसर ही बताना है बस.
जी सर.
जी. अब इसके बाद के फिर कंटिन्यू द प्रॉब्लम. That is un to the power of 1 by n equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 by root of n. n का पावर रूट लिखो या n का पावर 1 by 2 लिखो, सेम मीनिंग होता ना. इसको अपन ये पावर मल्टीप्लाई
जी
करके
सर.
ऐसा लिख सकते हैं n पावर 1 by 2 एंड होल स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं,
जी.
है ना. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रूट n?
हाँ.
व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ n पावर 1 by 2? by 2 का मतलब क्या है?
और रूट रूट सर.
वेरी गुड. सो रूट का लिखे मतलब आपका आंसर आ गया 1 plus 1 by root n whole to the power of root n whole to the power of
जी
root
सर.
n and whole to the power of whole square. ये हो गया whole square. Now taking limit n tends to infinity on both sides. Taking limit n tends to infinity on both sides. Limit n tends to infinite un to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to limit n tends to infinite. Okay. Whole value 1 by
जी सर.
1 plus 1 by 10 whole to the power of 10 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. Now this limit value will goes to the numerator, that is 1 only, and the same limit value will goes to the denominator, that is limit n tends to infinity. Numerator में भी अगर करें तो limit of the constant is constant itself 1 by root n all to the power of root n all to the power of 10 all to the power of 2 all to the power of 2. Now you can go for this formula number 2 in our sheet. This is our formula number 2. You can see limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by root n whole to root n है तो आंसर क्या लिख सकते हैं आप डायरेक्टली? बोलिए, लिख के बताओ.
1 by
यहाँ पे लिख के बताओ. लिमिट n tends to infinity फॉर्मूला लिख डायरेक्ट 1
जी.
plus 1 by root n whole to the power of root n is equal to, once again this value is equal to e. ठीक है, तो अपना क्या होता आंसर? This is equals to 1 by this overall value is up to here, so it is becomes e square, right?
जी सर.
कैलकुलेट में करके
हाँ.
बोले 1 by e square की वैल्यू कितना?
1 by E square.
Hmm. हाँ ना, बोलिए।
रुक जाइए सर वो 7.3 आ रहा सर कुछ।
1/1/,
मेरे को आप
सर एक कैलकुलेट राइट।
हम्म,
7/1 स्क्वायर भी कर लीजिए आप, उसको सिंप्लीफाई करके डेफिनेटली लेस देन 1 इज।
हाँ 2.71 है स्क्वायर सर आ गया।
Okay, so summation even we can say that it is, what do you say it is?
कन्वर्जेस।
Converges. जी साहब,
यस सर।
क्या बोले? आरव, so uh, got the idea? Got the idea?
जी सर।
Okay. This is we are going to through test, or this through test we are doing. Okay. देख लीजिए आप स्टार्टिंग से डेट आउट बताइए। ये सब
सही है सर।
सही है, कोई भी डाउट नहीं है ना?
जी नहीं सर।
अच्छा देख लीजिए, प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं है, फिर वी कैन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
ठीक है सर।
तो मैं एंड ऑफ करता हूँ मीटिंग, फिर आपको बोलता हूँ
जी
ज्वाइन करो।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, अभी मतलब 40 मिनट से कैसा भी स्टॉप हो जाते हाफ एन आवर हो जाएगा, तो आप फिर थोड़ी देर से हाफ एन आवर ज्वाइन करिए।
जी सर।